So what is seller carried financing? Seller carried financing is a lot easier than you think that it is. So essentially the property owner or the seller owns that property outright. Now what they're going to do is they're going to sell you the home, but you can't afford that whole home in cash. You need financing. So instead of going to a traditional bank or a lender, what you do is you would use the seller as the bank. Now the seller will sell you the home with a down payment and offer you terms, essentially giving you an interest rate and a date when you would have to pay back that property. There's several great things about seller financing. A couple of the most important ones are A, you don't have to get traditional financing, which typically means that you don't have to go through a rigorous process of underwriting, especially if you can't get a loan right now. Two, oftentimes sellers can sell that home at a lower interest rate than the banks because all that money is going back to them and they don't need necessarily 7 or 8%, especially when they own the home outright. Three, your closing costs are going to be significantly less. And four, there are so many ways to structure these deals. Lots of levers and buttons that you can push and a lot of give and take for the negotiations. So what may not work out for a traditional bank or a traditional seller, you can find terms that work out a lot better. For example, if the seller wants a higher interest rate, you can lower your down payment. Or if the seller wants a higher interest rate, you can lower the purchase price. Or if the seller wants a really low interest rate, you can actually give them more money and pay more money for the property, but still be coming out of pocket less per month than you would with the traditional loan. There's a lot more to know about seller financing. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I hope you have a great day. Take care.